Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to embed a Figma prototype in Google Slides. If you want to present interactive designs directly in your slides, this is for you. Now, on your Figma dashboard, we need to open the prototype we want to embed. Let's use this example. Simply double-click the file to open your design. Here is our prototype. Next, we need to click the Share button in the upper right corner of Figma. From there, we will see the option to get the embed code for the prototype. Go ahead and get the embed code, then copy it. Now let's go to Google Slides. Head over to google.com, click the 9 dots, and then open Google Slides. Find your presentation and click on it to open it. Now, right-click on the slide where you want to add the embed. Right-click on the area, then click the link option. Once you are in the link section, you will see a text field. Paste the embed link here. Then click Apply to add it. If you see an error, go back to Figma. Copy the prototype link, then return to your presentation and click Apply. There we go. It will now appear on your Google slide without any errors. Just wait a moment for it to load on your slide. This method helps you add and display a Figma prototype inside Google Slides using share links, embeds, or screenshots with clickable access. This makes your presentations more interactive and professional. Now we know how to embed a Figma prototype in Google Slides.